I would like to thank Madden and Kaylee Lewis, the past Junior Secretaries for Tourism. They have spoken to me and given me words of wisdom and motivation just so that I could know, they did it too and I could do it, and I could go out there and do it even better once I push myself.
I just want to take this opportunity as well to thank the staff at the Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation for giving her the opportunity to be a part of an internship program, because that program really gave her a more in-depth insight into the tourism products and services that Destination Tobago has to offer. And so that exposure has really allowed her to broaden her knowledge, and I am sure it will serve her in good stead when she gets to the Cayman Islands.